How do you make slate look new again? Slate floors start to look old and dull due to scratches, soil and stains. Scratches are a common problem with slate. Scratching is caused by moving heavy furniture or grit particles. So sweeping or vacuuming is an essential part of maintenance. To hide scratches, you can use color-enhancing impregnating seal or stone oil on the scratches. Keeping your slate floors clean will extend their lifespan, so they look like new again. You can also seal your slate tiles with a waterproof sealer to further protect them. Soils and spills can quickly build up on slate, making it look dull. So it is important to clean your slate tiles regularly. To clean slate, you should start with a dry mop or vacuum to remove small particles. Then mop the floor with a damp microfiber mop. Do not overwet the mop because a wet mop will not pick up soil. Do not use a wet mop as this will make the slate more porous. Once it is dry, the stone will look brand new again. If you have pets, you should clean up after them regularly to avoid ruining the floor's appearance. Dog nails, in particular, can scratch slate tiles. Cutting them regularly will prevent the need for a replacement. If cleaning does not restore the appearance of the slate floor, you may need to contact a slate floor restoration company. If you want your slate floor looking new again, contact Abbey Floor Care, 0800 695 0810.